So we're launching the brand new UEV25X today. We had the SA 4x4 show at Swartkops Raceway. It's the ultimate in luxury on ultimate of off-roading. Let's show you inside. So as you know, Conqueror, we always try to innovate first. So once again, we have brought in a brand new system for our interior that just classes up an already award-winning caravan. You'll see all the cupboard doors are formed. They're shaped in a very modern, brand new finish. You'll see the color coding on this is unbelievable. We changed the layout quite a bit. You'll see the bed now is a queen size, hotel quality, bamboo mattress. Big enough for big guys like me to easily sleep without my feet hanging off. As you can see, the person sleeping this side can get off in the front. The one on that side can easily walk around to your big hanging cupboards. More than enough packing space. There's an additional cupboard on top here with more than enough packing space for all your different goodies. You'll see, if you take a look inside the bathroom, you'll see it's got a very, very modern, unbelievable finish where it gives you that real exclusive look to it. One of the biggest changes that we have made is you'll see that the roof is a full pop-up now. Right from the rear to the front, we changed the angles in the front as well, so it makes it easier for tall people to stand upright. Your headroom is more than enough. I'm 1.9 and I'm not touching the roof. And all the way to the front. So you've got more than enough space. It almost feels like walking into a school hall. Once we're done, I'm going to call mommy. We're going to be dancing in the passageway right here. Yeah, big interior fridge, 12 volt obviously. We added an additional cupboard for all your tech products, ice machine, air fryer, coffee machine, whatever you need. There's space for everything that you will need in your caravan. What else will be needed? Let's conquer it together.